Come see NiCE IT Management Solutions at Microsoft Ignite the Tour London. Booth 514. We are living in a data-driven world. We rely on data. We use data to create knowledge. Get your NiCE management packs for Office 365, VMware, Dynamics 365, Oracle, SAP, DB2, BlackBerry, Domino, custom applications, log files, and more. Discover hidden latencies. Reveal root causes at the spot. Have detailed reports at hand. Boost your enterprise IT knowledge by having the right data at the right time. Wow your people with performance. Make your users happy and start your journey at Microsoft Ignite the Tour London Booth 514. Looking forward to smartening up your enterprise application monitoring.